Since morning, you still there here. Baba Tope.
Look. What is it now?
Baba Tope, I will disturb you. Your men they buy land, buy car. Some they buy private jet. You still there here, they struggle with life.
Look. Tell me something else I have not heard of. Tell me another story I have not heard of. Leave all this story you're telling me. Don't
You are a naughty but failure. Baba Tope, you are a naughty but a failure.
Hey, look, there's a popular saying that behind every successful man there's a woman. But in this case, behind every man that is a failure, there's just a woman. You are the cause of my failure. You are the cause.
Baba Tope, from today, I declare myself a widow.
That's the widow you have declared yourself. That is what you are. You are a widow.
Baba Tope, Mama Yawere. Hey!
Hey, I don't get that, so God will win.
400 million naira.
Hey!
Look. I will, in fact, I will disturb everybody disturbable. I will start making proclamations that I have not made before.
I don't get a lot, yo. God will win. I say, I don't get a lot, yo. God will win. I say, I don't get a lot, yo. God will win. 400 million naira.
200 million naira. Yeah,
Look.
You know what I mean? At last, go hear our prayer. The prayer where they pray for you every day.
Leave me alone. Why you not the one insulting me, telling me all sorts of words, telling me I'm a failure, I am this, I am that?
You know, I'm a woman.
Hey, that is how you deceive yourself. Don't leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Baba Tope, you know, all these clothes, waiting.
It needs to be protected.
Yes. From now, all these clothes you wear, we will burn it. Because we don't need a new level.
Okay. Well, I understand that part. At least people will see us in under different style.
All this chair, we burn it too, Abi.
The chair again? The chair. Why do we?
Baba Tope.
Okay.
In Bible, one proverb say,
look,
all things shall pass away. New things.
We'll burn it.
That's Baba Tope.
I know. Look. In fact, this moment.
God.
I will keep shouting and keep screaming to your name for what you have done for me.
Mama, why are they shout now?
Tope. Oh, sorry. You didn't see. Your papa just win 400 million naira. 400 million naira.
Papa, you win 400. Papa, nice one. Papa, no born any picnic in only me. I don't want to spend this on it.
Please, we should spend it. Look, this money is not meant to be spent anyhow, please. It's not meant to be spent anyhow. Please.
Wait till they do money.
I will spend, but the way he's saying that if he's entitled to just lavishly spend the money the way he wants.
Papa, if you're only son.
I will spend money on my friend. That fat girl.
I have finally arrived.
Oh, God.
Baba, Mr. Ndubisi, Ndubisi, you will smell it, I have arrived. Baba,
this house again.
I will give you money. I will give you money. You know now? You are my top. Oh God. Whoa. Yeah, chicken. I will buy. You know that gogoro shoe?
Yes. That is high, like 3 steps.
Yes. I will come buy a new cover.
And cover too.
Yes, now. I will do step by step.
We'll be walking like this.
Yes. Hey. Yeah, Papa. Hey. We don't get our land. God will win. Oh God. Hey.
That's what we got. That's it. That's it.
I don't have all the time. Just answer me and let us go leave there on time. You be dressing like a. I don't even understand. Can't you tell me no now?
Why are you shouting? Mama Tope.
Kidney. I'm my head. Do that.
Wait. Why are you dressing like this?
Dress out.
See. You don't be big man now.
Don't even shout. We're around the neighborhood. Do you want them to start suspecting that something is about to happen? It is better I dress this way. Shut them on. If you are seeing it, they will not suspect at all. Let me just look to this simple.
Okay. Make me go change my clothes.
No, nobody will suspect it, but me, I'm the person involved. You're the first harassing. I don't want them to suspect me. So just leave me like this. Tope, where are you? Answer me, wait. Why is he carrying a gun? Must go back.
The place we will put our money on. Million.
Okay, let's go.
Is it hard? Jump it like that.
Yeah, Tope. Where is the ticket?
Which ticket?
Where is the ticket now?
Which ticket? Mama Tope.
Oh, where is the ticket now? Where?
I don't know.
The ticket? What do you mean you don't know? The ticket, 400 million ticket.
The trouser you wear yesterday. You put it inside. You put it inside. I've won it, Baba Tope. I've bought the trouser.
You buy what?
The trouser. I don't know that the ticket is inside.
Baba Tope, more than the To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.